I opened the Stone Gallery in September of 1999. It was me, a 53-foot office trailer, and 10 colors of stone that we had imported from Italy. I'm Johnny Altobello Jr. We're at the Stone Gallery in Harahan, Louisiana. It was our goal from day one to only bring in first quality everything. I never wanted to be second best in anything I ever did. We buy the best we can. We find the best in the world. We have buyers in Italy and Brazil that hand select things just for us. And our rule of thumb is if we won't put it in our house, we don't put it in our stone yard. We've grown not just in the stone import business, which we started out as and which we still primarily do, but we've also grown because of customer requests to add cabinetry, flooring, backsplashes, sinks, faucets. We decided to offer cabinetry because customers asked us to do that. Customers asked us to start selling tiles, so we did. When you come to Stone Gallery, you have either myself, my wife Carolyn, my son Johnny III, or my son Mike. You have the owners of the company showing you around.
My name is Johnny Altobello. I'm one of the owners of the Stone Gallery. We have the best materials and the best products, but when it gets down to it, what differentiates us is the time we spend with our clients. Customer service aspect is, to us, is the most important part. Working with you to complete your project, whether that's a kitchen, a bathroom, a countertop, cabinets, or the entire project. We're there from start to finish. Just know that you're going to get the best of all of us and the best of me every day.
What sets us apart is, I think, our level of service, our level of caring. Our material is the best around the world. You're not going to find any higher quality.
From the time a customer comes into the Stone Gallery till the time they leave, it's our job to educate them on the difference between marble, granite, and other materials. So we specialize in unique, we specialize in high quality, and we specialize in educating the customers and the ease of your kitchen and bath coming together all in one place.